The information card, when enabled, will present a card in the bottom of the screen with the product title, product thumbnail, and also two additional buttons. One called Buy Now that you can integrate with an URL to be launched when the user click on top of that, and another link that is called Read More to leave the client for another place when they could get more information about the product. So you hit the preview to see how the information card will appear for you on the product. So it's an overlay on top of the product that you can customize in two lines of text that you can customize on the product information, and the read more and the buy now button that you can integrate it with some external URLs. So this is just a test URL here for the VYRCH website. The buy now button will go to the MondoDX website so you can integrate it with your own e-commerce platform to custom URLs that could put this product on a shopping cart and later on go to the checkout page.